Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to set a screen lock in this device. So in this device I didn't set any screen lock, just swipe up, it is unlocked. You can see. So let me show you how to set the screen lock in this device. Simply go to settings, scroll down, tap on the option security and privacy. So here you can see the option lock screen. Tap on this one. You can see some type of lock, secured lock screen, pin, password or pattern you can select from here. So here I am going to select the option pin. So here you can see one message, remember this pin. If you forgot it, you will need to reset your phone and all data will be erased. And the pin must contain at least 6 digits. Okay, so here I am going to enter the pin. Tap on continue. Again, confirm the pin. Tap on OK. This is for the lock screen notifications. You can select any one from here. If you want to show content on the lock screen, then you need to select the option show content. If you don't want to view the content on the lock screen, then you can select the option hide content. After that, tap on done. So let me show you how to work this one. Lock the device, try to unlock. Now you can see they are asking for the screen lock. Enter the pin. You can see it is unlocked. Again I will show you. Enter the pin. It is unlocked. So simply in this way you can set the screen lock in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.